Good day, everyone, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Benga Adetitun is my name. Today, I want to talk to you about how to get other people to buy into your business idea and to start the business together with you. How to get other people to buy into your company idea and start the company with you. I've shared with you some business and company ideas, and I've spoken about 25 reasons why you need to start your own company, your own business, your own organization. And you have been thinking that, oh, I cannot go it alone. How can I do it alone? I can't. Yes, you may not be able to because of the idea that is in your head, because of the idea that you have. Then, how are you going to get other people to cooperate with you to make sure that the goal of running and starting and doing the business is actualized? That is exactly what I want to talk about in this video at this time. How to get other people to come together with you and to start the company. My name again is Benga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel called Benga Akindele. My aim is to get to a particular amount of subscribers in a particular time frame, and therefore I'll be happy if you can take a pause and just subscribe to the YouTube channel of mine. You can just click the subscription button just below the YouTube video now before I go ahead. I'll just give you 5 seconds to do that. The clicking takes no time and it's free. So I will count from 5 to 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Thank you for subscribing and God bless you. Now, you have a business idea and you want to start it, but you are looking at how to get other people to come in. Definitely you need other people. Some people are going to come in with even brighter ideas than yours. Some people have greater ideas than yours. Some people's ideas are not as lofty as yours. Some people have the finance that you need. Some people have do the legwork that you need to get things done. So how do you assemble this group of people? What you need to do is to share a vision with people that you think, people that are in your group already, that are in your group of influence already, in your friend group or your family group that you can talk to. Talk to them and share your vision with them and tell them about what you intend to do, what you plan to do at this time. So you tell them exactly what you want to do, tell them exactly what you plan to do, and the benefit for everyone. Now, as you let them know about the benefit for everyone, the benefit must be spelled out. If the business is 100%, what percentage are you going to take? What percentage are they going to get if they put in a particular amount of effort into it and make it to succeed? This must be clearly stated out. So you can meet individuals individually and tell them, this is what I want to do, this is where you come in, and this is what you are going to do, I expect you to do to make it succeed, and this is the percentage you are going to get from the business. By the time you share this over and you have a number of people that have bought into the idea, then you can invite everybody for what you can call the business launch or the business meeting. You can invite them, everybody already know what they are to do, so you invite them and read out everything in presence of everybody. If they are in agreement, you can have everything typed out and everybody signs, and then the rollout and the business gets kicking. So everybody begins to play its own role, and then you make accounting very clear. You make everything very plain, very clear, because integrity is very key. Make everything very clear to everyone, and when they see that everything is clear, with time, they will put in their effort, and then when resources start coming in, you can call meeting from time to time to tell people know what is going on. When resources start coming in, you let them know, and then you share what the profit that emanates from the business with them, and this will inspire them to do more. I've heard of a particular individual that a hostel was being built, and he contributed, I think he contributed 25,000 or thereabout, and then after the hostel was built, at a particular time, he was given 8,000 as a dividend from the hostel. So So he was imagining if he could contribute this amount and he got this amount in a year. In so year, how much is he going to get? He's going to get. So he was even asking, he saw the profit was very huge. He was asking, when are we building the next hostel? So this is how you can get people to buy into any vision that you have and then to move it to the next level. I am Benga Adetitun. I'm going to talk to you some other time, and I want you to make use of this, and God bless you.